Hello students, welcome back to Career Power Hyderabad powered by Adda 24/7. So students, you know the IBBS RRB PO result is out. So soon we will have clerk result. So very soon we will have the mains examination. So IBBS RRB PO will be held on September 25th and the clerk is on October 3rd. So for mains preparation, so general awareness is also a part of mains preparation. So we need to prepare very well for general awareness. So this video is about how to score 40 by 40 in general awareness. Okay students, so there is a huge competition for IBBS RRB. In order to get a good job, to get a compulsory job in this IBBS RRB PO and clerk, we need to focus even on general awareness. So all of us are very aware of aptitude, reasoning and English. We can score good marks in aptitude, reasoning and English, but that is not enough for attaining a job. So you need to crack even the general awareness. So this video is how to score 40 by 40, what to read in the general awareness, and finally we'll see the previous questions asked in the examination also. Okay students, so before going into the video, please subscribe our YouTube channel, like our videos, share our videos and join the Telegram channel. Daily we have daily MCQs, and also download the Career Power Hyderabad app. We'll provide the links in the description as well as comment section. So when coming to the exam pattern, both for clerk and PO, so this is the exam pattern. So reasoning 40 questions 50 marks, general awareness 40 questions 40 marks, aptitude 40 questions 50 marks, English or Hindi any one option 40 questions 40 marks, computer 40 questions 20 marks, finally for 200 questions 200 marks with a time of 120 minutes and a negative marking of 1/4. So this is the exam pattern, as you know very well. Okay, so general awareness, from the general awareness topic, so there are 40 questions carrying 40 marks. So this plays a very crucial role in attaining an exam in the IBBS RRB. So if you classify this general awareness, so you will get 15 questions, odd 15 questions from current affairs, 15 from banking awareness and 10 questions from static GK. So this will be the classification of general awareness. So 15 from current affair, 15 from banking awareness, 10 from static GK. Okay, so we came to know that general awareness we can classify into these three topics. Now what to read from current affairs, what to read from banking awareness and what to read from static GK. So very less time, we have only 1 month time. So in this 1 month we need to cover maximum current affairs, maximum banking awareness, maximum static GK. So we will see what are the topics we need to cover in this 1 month, in this 30 days. Okay, so from current affairs, focus on all the banking and RBI news, economy and business news, schemes and committees news, agreements, MOUs, loans, important days, ranks and reports, awards and obituaries. Okay, so all the banking news, HDFC has tied up with the Paytm, or ICICI Bank has tied up with the Indian Navy. So likewise you will get all the banking news by heart them. RBI will issue monetary policy, RBI will issue some penalty on some bank, RBI will issue winding up of banks. Likewise you will have questions in the examination, in the current affairs. Focus on all these things. So for current affairs you need to study 6 months, okay, but at least in this 6 months study 4 months current affairs, very important. So in this 6 months study 4 months current affairs. Okay, so that is the present month, August, July, June, and May. So please focus on all these 4 months current affairs, August, July, June and May. Okay, so at least for all the banking examinations, at least we need to prepare for 6 months. In the 6 months your focus must be on the 4 months, last 4 months, that is August, July, June and May. August, July, June and May. Okay, so please focus on all these 4 months current affairs. So banking awareness, you will see all the details about banking news, RBI issued penalty, all these things. RBI you will see. Economy and business news, any MOUs between companies, any acquisitions of companies. Schemes and committees, so Gata Shakti mission was launched by the government, asset monetization pipeline was launched by government, infrastructure pipeline was launched by government. So likewise any schemes in the news, agreements, MOUs and loans, World Bank will provide loan, Asian Development Bank will provide loan. Likewise any loans in the news, Important days are very very important, because always you will have at least 1 or 2 days in the examination. Ranks and reports: safest city, least safe city, polluted city, most polluted city, so related to India. So any Indian city in the news, you need to see all these ranks and reports. And index, what is the rank of India in the risk management index? Likewise, you need to see all these ranks and reports. Awards, all the important awards. Recently gallantry awards were given, Padma awards were given. So likewise, you need to see all the important awards. And obituaries also, they'll give you one question. So famous football players, or famous actors, or famous sports personalities who passed away recently, or famous politicians who passed away recently. So please keep a note on all these important people. So these are the prime current affairs you need to by heart. So later on, you will see the brand ambassadors. So for Grand Prix MotoGP, John Abraham is a brand ambassador. So likewise, all the important brand ambassadors. National, few important national and state news. International news: Afghanistan is always in news, Israel is always in news, Armenia is in news. So all the international news, appointments, all these things you need to see. Summits and conferences: important summits, important conferences, like the BRICS summit, like the India, Brazil, South Africa summit, the G20 summit. So important international summits you need to by heart. Okay, and appointments, international appointments like the Prime Minister of Armenia, Prime Minister of Malaysia, the President of Iran. Likewise, important appointments, as well as state appointments. So within India, so new Chief Minister, new governors. Yesterday, La Ganeshan is the governor of Manipur. Likewise, so important appointments. Defense and science and technology news, like the Ghaznavi missile, Nirbhaya missile, all these important defense news. Sports news, so Olympic season news, definitely one question from Olympics. Paralympic season news, definitely one question from Paralympics. You can expect these topics. So when you study, when you analyze all the 4 months current affairs, you will be clearly aware of what is in news, what is important to study, what you need to remember. Okay, so please keep this order in mind. And also finally, important events and venues. So venues, important events like Olympics. Okay, so please keep this order in mind. You will study the banking and RBI, economy, business, schemes and committees, agreements, MOU, loans, important days, ranks and reports, awards, obituaries, brand ambassadors, national, state news, international news, summits and conferences, appointments, defense, sports and important events. So finally, you will see all the important books and authors, as well as temples and news. So last time they asked Angkor Wat temple. This time they may ask you Ramappa temple, because it's a new UNESCO site. Ramappa temple, which state? The Telangana state. So likewise, you need to prepare your current affairs in a easy manner. So please focus on the last 4 months, August, July, June and May. So very very important, May to August you need to by heart at any cost all the important current affairs in this order. Now coming to banking awareness. So it's a static plus current affairs portion. So you will see, you will study the Indian banking system, types of accounts, types of loans and types of ATM. You will study about RBI, the functions of RBI and RBI's monetary policy. You will study about main organizations, apex bodies like NABARD, EXIM, SEBI, all these bodies. You will study about, this is IBBS RRB, so you need to focus on NABARD very much, okay, because NABARD is an apex body for RRBs. So you will study about NABARD very in detail. You will study about the money market, the banking system, all these things, inflation, every small topic. You will study the capital market, the SEBI regulations, the stock market system. You will study about non-performing assets, types of non-performing assets, and finally budget. So you can expect one question from budget. So these are the important banking awareness topics you need to focus primarily. Okay, so union budget, give focus on union budget. And also focus on schemes. So this is IBBS RRB, you need to focus on schemes. You need to focus on some rural terminology like ASHA full form, like NABARD full form. So there are some rural terminologies where you need to focus on them. Some rural schemes you need to focus on, because these are regional rural banks. Some terminology related to rural, okay, background will be also given. What is the full form of SHG, full form of DWACRA? Likewise also they can ask you questions. Now finally coming to static GK, so where you will study the bank headquarters and taglines. You will study the capitals of currency of all the important countries which are in news. Don't study everything, simply study the countries which are in news. Armenia is in news. United Arab Emirates is in news, Saudi Arabia is in news, Qatar is in news, Australia is in news. Study all the important currencies of all these countries and capitals of all these countries. To make it easier, you can follow our current affairs, because in our current affairs session, for every topic finally we'll give a static GK point, a point to remember capital and currency. By watching all these videos, you can easily remember our the countries' capitals and currencies. So you will see all the important tiger reserves, wildlife sanctuary and national parks which are in news. Study all the tiger reserves, but remember which are particularly in news. Important folk dance and festivals. So Telangana has celebrated the Bonalu festival. Assam yesterday was celebrated the Vanchua festival. Kerala celebrated Onam festival. So festivals also important. Current affair related festivals. All important airports, all important stadiums. So rivers and cities and power plants. So river and the city which is on the bank of the river. Likewise, international organization headquarters, WHO headquarters, World United Nations headquarters, World Health Organization, all this. You need to remember all the important international organization headquarters as well as national organization headquarters. Okay. So this is from the static GK portion where you need to buy hard. Okay students. So this is how you prepare for the general awareness portion of IBPS RRB examinations. So total 40 questions, 15 current affair we can expect, 15 banking awareness, 10 static GK. So please focus on current affairs last 4 months, August, July, June and May to August. Focus on all these 4 months. Focus on all the important banking awareness. Give importance to rural terminology, because this is a RRB exam. You need to be aware of rural terminology schemes and static GK. Okay. So by this method you can easily achieve 40, at least 35 plus. So 35 plus must be your target, because aptitude, reasoning, English, computer, everyone can answer. Only thing people fail is general awareness. If you crack general awareness, you will crack IBPS examination. That is simple formula to gain IBPS RRB job. So crack general awareness, crack exam. That's it. So give importance to general awareness. Daily watch our videos. Okay. So I'll provide you the links in the description. So every week we'll have weekly section wise revision. You can follow that weekly section wise revision. I'll provide you the link in the description. So very useful for your preparation. So we have weekly section wise revision from June, July, August. So follow all the videos. So definitely very useful for you. And also on banking awareness we made few videos. So you can watch these videos. I'll give you the links in the description. So we'll again relaunch our banking awareness program. So every day we'll provide you banking awareness questions. We'll discuss some important topics related to IBPS RRB. So let us discuss some important questions. Okay. So previous questions asked in IBPS examinations. So Hiroshima Day is observed on. So one question from important day. It is August 6th. So International Tiger Day is observed on. It is 29 July. So these are important days which are asked in the examination. When coming to international news, they asked who is the Prime Minister of Iceland. It is Kartin Jakobsdottir, and who is not the member of G7 countries. So you need to by heart all the G7 countries. USA, Canada, UK, France, Germany, Italy, Japan are G7 countries. So any option other than these 7 countries is not an option, not a right answer. So coming to books and authors, they have asked you one question. Overdraft Saving the Indian Saver. So this book is authored by Ujjit Patel, former RBI governor. So coming to national news. So when will India host the G20 summit? So India will host it in 2023. So likewise they asked you questions. They asked you this important question called the National Council for Transgender Persons. Okay. So this organization was constituted by which ministry? It is the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment. If you study the national news, you can easily answer this type of questions. So they asked the National Dairy Development Board was established in which year? It is headquartered in Anand, Gujarat. Established in which year? It's a static GK question, 1965. So state news, if you see, they asked you Hornbill Festival. It is Nagaland. Likewise, they'll ask you Bonalu Festival, Telangana. So which state has hosted the India's first seaplane project? It is Gujarat. Again, they'll ask you India's largest solar electric project is present in which state? Andhra Pradesh. Likewise, they can ask you question. Asia's first solar textile mill was set up in which state? It is Maharashtra. So they can ask you similar questions related to states. So you need to follow the 4 months current affairs. So which company does not come under Hinduja Group? So you need to remember basics about every company, just basics which are present in the current affairs. So Ashok Leyland is the answer. It is not part of Hinduja Group. Likewise, they'll ask you Godrej company chairman, who is the chairman of Godrej Industries or chairman of Godrej Group Limited. Likewise, they can ask you questions. From awards, they asked Chitra belongs to which category? She belongs to which field? You know Chitra, she is from arts. And who was awarded the Ramanujan Award? So Carolina Araujo is a winner of the Ramanujan Award. So this time they'll ask you Pulitzer Prize. Like this, they can ask you any award. So Pata Grand 2020 award was given to which state? So which state has bagged this Pata Grand 2020 award? So Kerala bagged the Pata Grand Award 2020. So coming to banking news. So please focus on banking news. We have static current affair related banking news. So what is the deposit limit of Paytm Bank? Payment banks, you know it. 1 lakh is the maximum deposit limit. Singapore Central Bank is called Singapore Monetary Authority. The highest denomination note printed by RBI 10,000 rupees. If two parallel lines are drawn on front of the check, it is called crossed check. So public provident fund. Okay, so the minimum amount you need to invest in the public provident fund. So they gave a huge question, but simply what is the minimum amount to be invested in a public provident fund? So what is the answer? It is 500 rupees. So BSNL has launched a UPI based payment system called Bharat InstaPay in collaboration with which bank? SBI. So collaborations, you need to see all the important collaborations. NIFIS survey is conducted by which body? It is NABARD. So I said you NABARD is very important. You need to see every detail about NABARD. So this is from the NPA, non-performing assets. So substandard assets are those which should not be extended by how many months? It is 12 months. So cross check is payable by whom? Drawee. So electronic holding of shares replaced in paper securities is called dematerialization. It is related to stock market. So full form of FCCB, foreign currency convertible bonds. So again related to the bond market, the stock market and the money market. You need to see all this banking news, very important. As I said, schemes are very important for IBBS RRB. So there are few questions on schemes. What is the revised overdraft limit on Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana? 10,000. So under Pradhan Mantri Fasal Bima Yojana, what is the minimum premium to be paid by farmers? 2%. So a question was given on Pradhan Mantri Krishi Sinchai Yojana. So they can ask you this time per drop per crop. All this slogan belongs to which? So to double the farmer income by which year? Likewise they can ask you question. So Kisan credit card will provide what type of loans? It is short term loans. Likewise they asked some important questions. Saubhagya scheme was implemented by which nodal agency? It is the Rural Electrification Corporation. So Poshan Abhiyan, who are all included in this Poshan Abhiyan? Children, lactating mothers and pregnant women. What is the full form of MSP? Minimum support price. So I said you need to see the rural terminology, very important. Schemes and rural terminology is very important for your examination, mainly for IBBS RRB. Okay. So now coming to miscellaneous news. They asked according to census 2011, what is the India's rural population? 833 million. What is the full form of OTT? Over the top. So OTT is in news, they asked OTT full form. ASHA, they asked full form of ASHA. So accredited social health activist. What is A in ASHA? Likewise they asked a question. So what is the rural self-employment training age? 18 to 45 years. So Angkor Wat temple is present in which country? Cambodia. Ramappa temple is present in which state? Telangana. So similar question, similar current affair is present. So you need to study all the important current affairs. So National Productivity Council comes under which ministry? It is the Commerce Ministry, Ministry of Commerce. So Science and Technology, they asked one simple question. Tap and go services have been launched. So what technology used in this tap and go? You are seeing now in some point of sale machines, you can tap your card. So up to 2000 rupees, you can pay from the tap and go service without entering your ATM pin. So tap and go service uses the near field communication technology. So which Indian city is the best cities in the world's 100 best cities by the Resonance Consultancy Limited? So Delhi is ranked in the top 100 cities. So Soumitra Chatterjee passed away recently. She is a famous actress. So likewise, these are the questions asked in the previous IBBS RRB examination. So analyze this question paper. You will know what to read for your examination, what to focus on your preparation, which topic you need to focus on for your examination. Okay students, so this is our video for today. So we'll launch the banking awareness sessions very soon. So we'll bring the banking awareness sessions. Okay, so I'll give you the playlist in the description. So for SBI clerk mains, we created a playlist. You can watch the videos. There are 4 to 5 videos in the playlist. So we'll again relaunch exclusively for IBPS RRB and as well as for SBI clerk mains. So banking awareness topics, every day we'll have a video. And also you can follow our current affairs sessions daily and weekly current affairs. Every Monday we have weekly current affairs. I'll give you the playlist from June to August. You can follow all the playlist in our channel. So very useful for your preparation, mainly for current affairs preparation and also banking awareness preparations. These playlists will be very useful for you. So please share this video, like this video and join our Telegram channel. So daily we have MCQs at 7 p.m. in our Telegram channel. So do answer our MCQs at 7 p.m. and 5 p.m. we have current affairs session. Watch the video at 5 p.m. answer the MCQs at 7 p.m. and also download the Career Power Hyderabad app. We'll provide the links in the description as well as comment section. So thank you students. We'll meet in the next class.